Training modification and non-stock item, invoice section. We usually create invoice from packing list. When we confirm the packing list, we can convert into an invoice. Or we can convert to invoice using this function. The hyperlink for the invoice is here on the packing list. We can select a line, an item, and delete it. If we go back to have the hyperlink on the packing list, we can see this is partially invoice. We can, in packing list, search for partially invoice packing list. We have two. We can confirm item from confirm packing list. We're adding two here. When we print, we can separate multiple shipment to give more information to the customer. If the invoice is not confirmed, we can delete it, go back to the packing list, make appropriate change, and convert again to invoice. We can select a line of the invoice and edit description, price, discount. To sell non-stock item, you can make new invoice and add non-stock item with this icon, like selling fabric to a customer. Don't forget to include it, report by customer, include non-stock item.